Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel Morris here. Today we are checking into Ocean Coral Springs.
Welcome to Ocean.
So nice to arrive to a live band playing. Oh, such a great touch. As you can see, the lobby of this hotel, it's light, it's airy, it's giving modern chic, lots of prints and patterns, and lots of artwork. It is so beautiful. Now let's check into our room. Carrie, come on, let's go.
Welcome home.
Welcome.
After you guys.
Thank you.
Welcome to Ocean, okay?
Thank you.
You come in, there is a closet and you have cupboard space, which is very good. And right here at the washroom. So this is the washroom, and you have your nice little bathtub, and you have his and her sink, which is amazing. And here you have the shower. So you have an overhead shower and everything. And you do have your shampoo and your body wash right there. And in the next little place, you have your toilet, which is separate, which is perfecto. And outside of the washroom, you have your nice little mini bar. These two things, we brought those, so those don't really come there, which is nice. And you have your safe, so you know the gist. Then you have your mirror, which are here for the pics, and your room. We are already settled in, so you know the gist.
Hello.
That's the two beds, double bed.
Hello.
One for us and one for Kiari. And you have this nice mirror, which is so beautiful. I love the aesthetics of this room, to be honest with you. And then you have a work area, which is perfect. And for the view, guys, for the view. Okay, this is our view. Okay, so I noticed all the other rooms, they do have a little swing chair, cabana swing chair, which is super cute. But the fifth floor, we're on the fifth floor, we don't have it. But we do have this amazing view, which is just so private and nice. And you have a little glimpse of the kids' pool area. And this is downstairs. And then I guess that side is the private residential area that they have stuff selling and stuff. And then you have a nice little ocean view, which is so cute. Yeah, it's nice. It's so cute. And you can sit out here, have your morning coffee.
Don't go too close to that one, alright, mommy?
And the Muyang.
Hello. Given my safety precautions.
Can you open the door for mommy, lovey? Open it for mommy. Open it for mommy. Thank you. And then this is the,
Be careful, mommy. Be careful.
this is the view from the balcony. So this is our second room. I wanted to change room just because I wanted a room with a swing chair. I feel like it was such a great addition, but all the rooms are basically identical. So that's the entrance that I just came in. This is this is the bathroom.
Can I help you?
It's basically the same. So double sinks. And then you have
Yeah, go your turn.
You have your tub,
Right, come.
and this is the balcony, and a nice swing chair, which is so cute. You can see the lobby from here, along with the pool and the ocean view. I would love to hear which view you guys like better, if you like this view better or the view from the first room. I personally like this one better, but let me know in the comments. I want to give you guys a full resort tour. So as you exit the lobby, to your right, you're going to have all your restaurants, your sports bar, and that's where you're going to spend most of your nights dining. And straight ahead, you're going to have your lively entertainment day pool, which is a vibe, okay? To the left, you're going to have the kids area, which you're also going to have the kids club on that side too. So you can bring your kids there during the day if you want a little break. It wasn't open when we were there, but here's the liveliest pool. Like, it's a vibe, depending who's on the resort, but it's a vibe. Yeah, if you want to see more of that, stay tuned for my next vlog on this resort. And then these are gonna be the swim out pools. They're very spacious, they're all connected and everything. It's beside the daytime pool area. That's a vibe, but it's still private. And they have a lazy river. Like, oh my gosh, like this hotel has everything, like everything you can imagine. So you can check out the lazy river. The lazy river is right beside Ocean Eden Bay, which is the adults only side, but the lazy river, of course, like kids can go there and it's part of the family side too. But yeah, they have everything you can imagine. And then they have this nice long runway where you would have your weddings if you want to host your wedding here. I guess you can have it here, or they do have like a cabana to the left right here, which is super cute. And right next to the cabana is going to be the family beach area, and then on the opposite side you're gonna have the adults only area. So they have their own beach on that side, which seems a lot way nicer than the family beach, but you know, we won't talk about that. At least we got a bar, and at the bar it's just like basic drinks like margarita beer and all of that stuff. They don't do your fancy schmancy drinks like that. But for the beach, it's okay. I've been to lots of beaches in Jamaica, and it's not gonna be a 10. It's not a 10 out of 10 for me. It's more like a 5 or a 4.5 out of 10. And just so you know, coconuts are going to be $5 US. Yeah, we're not gonna touch on that. That's a very delicate spot for me. But if you want to spend $5 on coconut, you totally can. I just think it should be free because you're at an all-inclusive resort, but maybe that's just me. Anyways, let's circle back to the front of the resort and take a tour of the kids club / Daisy Club. Okay, so this is the Daisy Club, and these are the rules. If you want to drop your child off, you can pause the video and just check those out. And it's pretty cute. You wanna go in here? We're not inside because we didn't register for it, but I'll show you guys the back area just so you know, and kind of inside how it's set up. So it looks like they have like a little playground that the kids can just enjoy themselves in. Then that's the inside. And this is how inside looks. So it's very cute. Let me show you from the other side as well. That's how the back area looks. So this is how inside looks, and This is also connected to the water park. So if you see way in the back right there, the water park is there where we were yesterday, and you guys can check it out if you want. You can also bring the kids here and play. There's no one here right now. Kiari, you want to go inside? I know. Let's go to the pool. That concludes the end of this tour, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know some love. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and that bell button to be notified when I put up my next vlog. You're gonna love it. For a little treat for the end of this video, here's a little sneak peek of my next vlog.
Mommy?
Whole gang.
What?
Here's